Hey everybody, Griffen Hock here. I want to reach out to you with a brief news flash and also give you some education on private lending. So we established a new wing of our company at Berkshire Capital to help people that have been affected by the housing collapse. Okay, we all know the score, guys. It's the 2010, 2011. For the past 3 years, the bottom has fallen out of the market. Okay, if you own a home and you've bought it within the past 10 or 15 years, the odds are that you've lost 50% of your value. A lot of people own investment properties and they've had their credit that's been damaged as a result. A lot of people, they've gone from one income families to, or from two income families to one income families, and they've seen their financial profile change immensely. Well, the bottom line is we originate conventional and VA and FHA mortgages, construction loans. We also do investor loans. What we're finding these days is there's less and less liquidity, so there's less and less people that are able to access cash or refinance into better loans. Let's say you own some real estate or you need a construction loan. Well, unless you're the prototypical client and you have been unscathed completely by this housing collapse and your employment's very stable, you got tons of reserve assets, those programs aren't available. So what we've done is we've created special private lending programs to help people achieve their best outcomes. A great example is property investors. If you're one of the people that wants to help fix housing like me, and you're interested in buying properties, but you can't get conventional financing on them because perhaps they're condos and they're non-warrantable, or perhaps the homes are in need of repair and you can't put the cart before the horse, and you have to have funds before you can buy it, so you can fix it and you can sell it, and then you can help fix housing market. We help with those financing opportunities. Okay, reach out to us. Most recently we closed on a great loan for a very, very nice woman that enabled her to get 2 cars, one for herself, one for her son who is recently unemployed, so he can get that job now, and she can have consistent transportation, better quality of life. Some of the money went to buy her new windows, and if you live in Michigan like we do, the winters here are pretty cold. For the next week it's going to be in the 20 degrees. How nice are those new windows gonna make her quality of life? And we were able to finance her where other people were not able to. Also, if you own a home and you own a home and it's between $500,000 and $3.5 million, we've got a relationship with a private hedge fund. We use private money. We'll buy that underwater home from you as long as the price range is between $500,000 and $3.5 million. Okay, there's a specific underwriting guideline that we follow to analyze risk, and we've got a proven formula that works. So don't feel like there aren't solutions out there for you. Don't feel like there aren't opportunities, because there are. Call us. Let's have a dialogue. Let's have a discussion. If you're a private investor and looking to scare up more money, and you've got a proven experience and business plan in residential real estate, but you haven't been able to qualify for any financing from the banks, reach out to us. We'll finance the purchase of 10, 15 homes. If you have a good model and you have a good management plan, and you can convince us that the price is right on the way that you're buying it, and that there's a good plan moving forward, and you'll execute, we're willing to lend some private money and help contribute towards the housing industry getting fixed. That's the big picture, guys. With the lack of lending and lack of employment, we've got big challenges ahead for housing. It's going to take entrepreneurial people like us and like yourselves that want to be private investors or want to invest in real estate themselves residentially to fix and flip and sell those houses that are the foreclosed abandoned houses on the nice street. Do your neighborhood a favor. Let's look at what the worst houses are in your neighborhood, see what we can do to buy them at rock bottom prices, fix them, turn them into some of the best houses in your neighborhood, or get them occupied. At least they won't be dangerous for your neighborhood. And as you know, for real estate prices work, how it works is the most recent sale will help bring up the values in the neighborhood, just like the most recent sales have also brought down the values in the neighborhood based off foreclosures. Okay, we've got the recipe that works to help fix housing. Let's do it together. Reach out to us, Griffen Hock, Berkshire, 248-755-0765, ghock@berkshirecapital.com. We'd love to talk with you about being your private lender. Have a great day.